New Year's resolutions discussion. Can you believe the year is almost over? I feel like 2024 flew by.
Seriously. And now we're at that time of year when everyone starts making resolutions they won't keep.
Speak for yourself. I actually kept mine last year.
Really? What was it?
To drink more water. I got one of those fancy water bottles that lights up to remind me. It actually worked.
That's a good one. Maybe I should try that. I'm terrible at staying hydrated.
So, what's on your list for this year, Sam?
Alright, don't laugh, but I'm committing to the gym. 3 times a week, no excuses.
Didn't you say that last year?
Yeah, and the year before that. But this time, I mean it. I'm even getting a personal trainer.
Good for you. Accountability helps.
How about you, Maya? Any big goals?
Definitely. I need to cut back on screen time. I spend way too many hours scrolling through Instagram and TikTok.
That's a tough one. Have you thought about how you'll do it?
I'm setting limits on my apps and trying to keep my phone out of the bedroom.
That's smart. Maybe I'll join you. Social media is such a time suck.
My resolution this year is to save more money. I want to finally go on that Europe trip I've been dreaming about.
Ooh, where do you want to go?
Italy and Spain, for sure. I've been obsessed with Italian food and Spanish architecture forever.
Can I come? I'll carry your bags if you promise me pizza and paella.
Sure, but only if you can handle all the walking.
All right, we've got the big ones down. What about smaller, day-to-day goals?
I want to cook more at home. I've been eating out way too much.
Same. My bank account would definitely appreciate that.
Mine is journaling. I want to write down my thoughts every day. It's supposed to help with stress.
That's a great idea. I might try meditating. I've been reading about how good it is for mental clarity.
Oh, I love that. My smaller goal is to read more books. I only finished 2 this year, and one of them was a graphic novel.
Hey, that still counts. What's your first book for 2025?
Probably something light to ease me in. Maybe a mystery or a travel memoir.
Speaking of books, Maya, didn't you say you wanted to write one someday?
I do. Maybe 2025 is the year I actually start working on it.
Yes, you should go for it. Even if you just write a few pages a week, it's progress.
We'll be your first readers.
Alright, let's make a pact. Mid-year check-in to see how we're doing with our resolutions.
Deal. But no judgment if we're struggling, okay?
Absolutely. Progress over perfection.
And let's celebrate the small wins, too.
You know what? This feels like the year we actually stick to our goals.
I hope so. Here's to 2025, new year, new us.
Cheers to that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.